Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great today. Ready for another story? Let's get started. It was a sunny afternoon and Emily was walking out of her favorite bookstore downtown. She had spent hours browsing through shelves, picking up books, flipping through pages, and getting lost in the words. Finally, she bought a novel she'd been wanting for weeks. As she stepped out, her phone buzzed. It was a reminder of her best friend's birthday dinner that evening. Emily looked at her watch. She was running late. Emily quickly decided to book an Uber. She opened the app, her fingers moving swiftly on the screen. Within a minute, a car was on its way. The driver's name was Alex, and his car was a shiny black sedan. The app said he'd arrive in 5 minutes. She stood on the curb, checking her reflection in the bookstore's window. Her hair was slightly messy from the wind, and she adjusted her scarf. The car pulled up, and Alex rolled down the window. "Hi, Emily?" he asked with a friendly smile. She nodded, smiling back, and got into the back seat. The car smelled fresh, with a faint hint of citrus. Alex looked to be in his late 20s, with dark brown hair and striking blue eyes that stood out. "Heading to Machala Street?" he confirmed, glancing at her through the rearview mirror. "Yes, that's right," she replied. She placed her purse on the seat beside her and leaned back, hoping to relax during the ride. As the car moved through the busy streets, Alex began to make small talk. "So, what book did you get?" he asked, noticing the bookstore bag in her lap. Emily was surprised, but happy to talk about her favorite topic. "Oh, it's a mystery novel. I've heard it's really good," she said, holding up the bag. "I love mystery stories," Alex said, his tone excited. "Do you have a favorite author?" The conversation flowed easily. Emily found herself laughing at his jokes and enjoying his company. He seemed genuinely interested in what she had to say, and his warm personality made her feel at ease. The drive, which was supposed to be just another routine ride, felt special. As they approached her destination, Alex slowed down at a red light. He turned to look at Emily briefly and said, "You seem like someone who loves adventure, even in small ways." His words surprised her, but made her smile. "Maybe I do," she replied softly. When they reached Machala Street, Emily gathered her things quickly. "Thank you for the ride," she said, stepping out. She waved goodbye as Alex drove away, but as she walked toward the restaurant, she realized something was missing. Her purse? She had left it in the car. Panic rose in her chest. Her phone, wallet, and everything important were in that purse. She checked her pockets but found nothing useful. Feeling helpless, she stood there for a moment, trying to remember what to do. Meanwhile, Alex noticed the purse on the seat when he reached the next stop. He picked it up and sighed, realizing it belonged to Emily. Luckily, her phone was inside and he could contact her through the app. Emily's phone buzzed in Alex's hands as he called her. "Hi, Emily. It's Alex, your Uber driver. I think you left your purse in my car," he said. Relief flooded Emily's voice. "Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I didn't even notice until now." "No problem," Alex said. "Are you still near Maple Street? I can bring it back to you." Emily nodded even though he couldn't see her. "Yes, I'm at a restaurant here. Thank you again." A few minutes later, Alex pulled up in front of the restaurant. Emily rushed to the car, her cheeks flushed from a mix of embarrassment and gratitude. "Here you go," Alex said, handing her the purse. I'm glad I noticed it." "You're a lifesaver," Emily said, laughing nervously. "I don't know what I would have done without it." Alex smiled, his eyes sparkling under the streetlights. "I'm just glad I could help." There was a brief pause, and then he added, "By the way, if you ever want to talk more about mystery novels, maybe over coffee, let me know." Emily felt a sudden rush of emotion. She hesitated for a moment, but then nodded. "I'd like that." She watched as Alex drove away, feeling a mix of excitement and curiosity. What started as a simple Uber ride had turned into something unexpected, a chance meeting that felt like the beginning of a new story. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you soon.